You can see these beautiful stuff. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. These flowers are really beautiful. Got my people down there. I'm exploring with them together. And look at that. I'm gonna capture this beautiful bird from here. Look at that. That's one of the beauty of Hobart. You see that? This is very beautiful in here. It's really peaceful. Going to another spot here. Look at that. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. We've got about 30 minutes to stay inside the garden and we're gonna take most out of it, right? And this is sub-Antarctic plant house. We're gonna try seeing what's inside. We are going inside this and it's about 5 degrees and 6 Celsius. Gonna get inside, okay? This area is fitted with security cameras. Ooh, that's so cool. This is where the cold wind is coming from and I can't talk that clearly. Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Hi Arya. We are inside this beautiful garden. Looking around. It's nice in the there's a little river inside. These are the beautiful lilies that you can see. This is also one of the type of hibiscus. The flowers here are very, very extraordinary. They're so beautiful. Plants, they've got their scientific names down there. And all this area is filled up with flowers. Even look at these beautiful flowers. Don't know the name of these, but they look so awesome. You can see beautiful rosemary herb and other really common herbs down here. All of these, they've got scientific names and they are actually brought up from different parts of the world, and you can only find them in here. And if you walk down there, you can see a lot of apples in the tree. And I'm so excited because this place have a beautiful landscape, and from down there you can see a beautiful lake. I think that's one of the Derwent River, and oh, look at the view. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. It's nice and a bit windy. We're going to that place down there. Hello Dai.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Are you excited? We are in Hobart Royal Botanical Garden. See these beautiful flowers up and there. I I just captured them flying away, but with my eye, not with my camera. One of the most beautiful, stunning places that I've been to. This is Royal Hobart Botanical Garden. It's about to close and we're heading home now. Alrighty, we are about to clock off, like we're heading back home now, and we explored almost everything. If you see down that way, there is Rosny Park, I believe. I'm not sure, I'm very new to this place and I don't know much about this, and this is where we went before, and we're heading home. I actually had so much fun. It was really beautiful, nice, chilly, and a lot of memories. Bye for now. Okay, if you want to know anything, you can comment. Do visit this center to know more about tourists and more information. And this is the main entry. You can come out from that way as well. And we are heading home now. After a nice and short trip, we had so much fun. Is getting down from there, and we got our stuff down there, and I feel nice and very much sun-kissed. Okay, finally I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you for watching, and I will come back with next week.